Practically, light switches have maximum lighting loads which they can control. Or in other words, one can say that a particular light switch of a known rating has a maximum number of light fittings of known rating as well, which it can control safely. How to calculate or how to determine the maximum number of light fittings of known rating which a particular light switch of known rating as well can control is what this video is all about. And hence, that is the reason why the video is titled maximum number of light fittings that a switch can control. In this case, the switch, by mentioning switch here, we mean light switch. So please do watch the video and subscribe for more. Now, let me use an example to illustrate what the video is all about. Now, 1. Determine the maximum number of 100 watts, 230 volts, 0.7 power factor, LED, that is light emitting diode, floodlight fittings, that a 10 amp, 1 gang, 1 way, 230 volts light switch can practically control safely. Take switch maximum practical loading limit not to be more than 60% of its rating. So here, what I'm talking about here is that it is not good to load the switch up to 100% of its rating. It's just like having a vehicle. It is not good to let the vehicle carry full load at all times. Otherwise, the vehicle will not last. So that is the situation of the switch is also analogous to that. So a maximum limit of 60% of the switch rating is more suitable and safe. Now, solution to the illustration. This one is given already, and this one is also given. This is the light fitting. The power factor is 0.7, and that indicates that the light fitting is is a reactive load. So, and that's why the power factor is given. Now, the switch is also given. The rating is the rating of the switch. So we take 60% of the rating, that is 6 ampere. So light fitting apparent power is equal to the active or true power divided by the power factor. That is 143 VA. That's the apparent power. Please, in this situation, it is always good and it is always be correct to use apparent power, not the true power, for the calculation of this current, as we are going to see. So current drawn by one light fitting is equal to 143 VA divided by 230 volt, and that is equal to 0.6 ampere. Therefore, maximum number of light fittings that can be controlled by a 10 amp, 1 gang, 1 way, 230 volt light switch is equal to 6 ampere divided by 0.6 ampere, and that is 10. So now, this is a possible schematic diagram for the wiring. So we have the supply from the distribution board or from the sub-circuit. So the switch is inserted on the live conductor or the live cable of the wiring. All right. So these are the light emitting diode floodlights. Okay. So we have 110 according to the calculation here, a total of 10 number of such LED floodlight fittings will be controlled by one number 10 amp, one gang one way, 230-volt switch. So the arrangement could be different from this one. All the light fitting could be in one row or in more than 2 rows according to the situation. So what is the most important thing is that this switch can only control 10 number of 100 watt 230 volt 0.7 power factor LED floodlight fittings. That is what is important. Alright, and that ends the explanation. Please do subscribe for more. Thank you.